If your irrigation system is acting up, like not watering right or just totally failing, it's time to get hands-on and fix it fast so your lawn doesn't look like a desert. First off, check for leaks because those sneaky drips waste water and mess with pressure. Walk around your yard and look for wet spots or puddles that shouldn't be there. Next, take a close look at the sprinkler heads. Sometimes they get clogged with dirt or knocked out of place, so just give them a little clean and adjust the angle so they cover the right areas. If you spot a sprinkler that's barely spraying or not at all, try to unscrew it and clear out any blockages. For broken pipes, which can be underground and tricky, look for soggy ground patches or low water pressure. Then dig carefully to find the break and replace that section of pipe with a repair coupling. Make sure you turn off the water before you start fixing anything to avoid a mini flood. Once you've done all that, run the system again and watch closely to confirm everything is working smoothly. No weird sprays or dry spots. Keeping up with routine checks every few months can save you from bigger headaches and costly repairs later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with irrigation systems is ignoring leaks, which wastes tons of water and hikes your bills. Fix leaks promptly by tightening connections or swapping out damaged parts. Another common problem is misaligned sprinkler heads that cause uneven watering. Just adjust them so the spray reaches all parts of your yard evenly without soaking sidewalks or driveways. Lastly, folks often leave clogged nozzles alone. Cutting water flow, clean them regularly with a soft brush or soak them in vinegar if mineral buildup is the issue. BigHomeProjects.com is a cool spot where homeowners can easily find trusted local contractors who know their stuff with irrigation systems and more. Plus, contractors get a steady stream of work by connecting with people who really need their skills.